Chairman wa Toro Elders Forum ekibiina kiri kugitaba kirinjuko rw'omukyanga kya Toro Professor Edward Rugumayo nagira ngu obusinge n'obuteeka mu bwire bw'akaruru nikibaasika habaho enkoragana nungi hagati y'ebyo by'okwerinda hamwe n'ebyo by'obutegyeki.
The recent tension in parts of Toro reminds us of one truth: insecurity undermines our people and slows our development. The best path forward is to bring peace through dialogue. The led candidates, security organs, and the Electoral Commission come together, address potential triggers of conflict, and harmonize their campaigns and their approaches.
Ebi habigambira mu rukiiko rw'abanyatoro orubiire rugendereire kuhanura aha nshonga z'akaruru entunguka n'eby'obutegeki omu ihanga okubiri bwa hati. Omu rukiiko oru bamwe abatuura ku rw'omukyanga kya Toro borekire okukwatwaho ahabw'emihondano ab'ebyokwerinda ekukoresa amaani mingi hamwe n'okuteera abantu okwizire nikureebukwaho omukyanga kya Toro omu bwire bw'obururu.
Ni ensonga yakutabana level ground enyakuleveled. Case in point, intimidation and threats from security officers, from security operatives, with that one which had just happened in Fort Portal, kutera abantu tiyagasi, kukinga enguudo emihanda. Nosanga one candidate omwikirize kwa to access ebizaniro by'okubalizaho political grounds ezindi, betu nosanga candidate kuruga mu opposition itwe turukutunga omulingo gunya kusemerire kubaza n'abantu baitu.
Hariho ensonga ez'abantu okurora ngu batalibanizibwa muno habubutini mukano akasumi akokoma kusanga ngu amahe na polisi batahere muno mu nsonga zinu kandi abantu nibahurira bino okutina kurora bagenda kutera akaruru obwiro buburabwikire. So tugonza kusaba ngu ensonga enu abantu kutina esobora kuba address rundi ebazibweho abantu abakora kukwatwaho.
Edward Itote arikora Toronet agizire ngo kutuntuza abantu abivukwerinda bakorisa amaani mingi n'ebindi nk'ebyo bibaasa kureetera abantu baho amasiko omu by'obururu hamwe n'eby'obwebembezi.
Approach the 2026 general elections, you are all aware that various observations have been made in regard to how this electioneering process is being conducted, and there are of course legitimate concerns that we need to look at, and incidences that involve excessive force, confrontations between political actors and security agencies.
Esande huire obwa kwasire bendera ya National Unity Platform Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi yabe na sherro bushaji chombi chweka bimwe bya Toro akabayo mihondano kandi enshonga egi nayo yagambireho mu rukiiko oru ari kushobora cyabireho umuhwezi wa RCC aba Central Division Fort Portal Emmanuel Businge nagira ngu abibyo butegeki izoberyo nibo bajemire uhabuzi bwabe byo kwerinda ekintu cyarigireho butikirizana n'emihondano.
A number of incidents, and I am not aware whether we have a representative from the NUP as a political party, but if he or she was here, I would like to call upon political actors to respect the rules of the game. You should not confront the security forces. We should not be provocative in the way we are making the politics.
Umurukiko oru Speaker wa Fort Portal City Albert Ahebwa aterira abantu muranga okwejombera mu karuru ko businge hamwe no kurebera hari.
As we go for the 2026 elections, these engagements with the Toronet are very important because they prepare the minds of our people as they get into elections. Elections are not all about violence. Elections are not all about conflict. Elections are not all about enmity. Elections are about having options of leaders who have offered themselves and, the governed, who are the voters, making a choice of those good leaders according to their good manifestos.
The political season, and I'd like to call upon all of us to take it as a serious exercise whereby we give opportunities to the various political actors in questioning what they intend to offer to us.
Yes.